Ciao dosto, Param here from Calcio Chacha. Roma nil, Inter 1, and yes, this was Inter's sixth consecutive win in all competitions. Inter have picked up form. But यार अगर मैं गैस्पेरिनी की बात करूँ, ये बंदा इंटर के अगेंस्ट जीत ही नहीं पा रहा है. 2018 is the last time he beat Inter, and ever since then it's been 11 losses and 5 draws. Terrible record. पर जहाँ तक मैं मैच की बात करूँ, बहुत केजी मैच था ओवरऑल. It was a tale of two halves. First half is where Inter was the better side, बिकॉज इंटर ने एक अर्ली लीड ली, रोमा के ऑफ साइड ट्रैप पे कैपिटलाइज किया, विच वॉज बैडली प्लेड बाय ज़ेकी चेलिक. Barella with a fantastic assist for Angion Bonni, the star talent who now has 2 goals and 3 assists in 2 starts for Inter. एकदम कामली फिनिश किया उसने काउंटर पे, और उसके बाद से फर्स्ट हाफ वाज काइंड ऑफ क्रूज कंट्रोल फॉर इंटर, वेयर इंटर हैड अ चांस टू एक्चुअली बेरी द गेम, मेक इट 2-0. मिखिटारियन ने वेस्ट कर दिया चांस, और थोड़े और चांसेस थे एक्चुअली, बट cruise control tha. Akanji with a lot of maturity, same with Bastoni. Everybody looked very calm, and they neutralized Roma's false nine experiment with Dybala up top. Second half में चीजें बदल जाती है because Roma woke up, and Roma woke up big time. You had obviously Dovbyk with a chance, जहाँ Sommer ने एकदम बहुत weird error किया, he just randomly came off his line, but there were other chances obviously that fell to Zeki Celik as well. Dybala also had a chance which Sommer saved. Sommer was essentially key in obviously Inter getting the 3 points, and Roma बोलेगी yes we should have made it 1-1, and actually they actually should have made it 1-1, but इंटर ने एक बहुत ग्रिटी परफॉर्मेंस दिखाई जो आपको इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है 3 पॉइंट्स लेने के लिए और टाइटल रेस के लिए. Akanji was fantastic. I saw a lot of maturity from Acerbi as well, which is not surprising at all. Overall एक solid performance था जिसमें इंटर just showed that they wanted it a tad bit more and had the better mentality overall. और कीवू को भी एक क्रेडिट देना चाहिए एज कोच, जिसने बहुत बोल्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस किए, बिकॉज he read the game well. He saw that certain players were exhausted, and he managed to bring in Pio Esposito, जिसने again almost like a midfielder खेला और बहुत सारे aerial duels जीते. Overall very cagey affair था, but second half was definitely Roma's, and they will definitely rue their missed chances. This is a very important win for Kivu and Inter because एक tough stretch आ रहा है. चैंपियंस लीग है अगेंस्ट यूनियन सेंट जिलोआ, फिर नापोली है, फियोरेंटीना है अवे, and again Mkhitaryan is another player you have to give credit. While he missed a lot of chances, उसका जो work ethic है, he covered the most distance in the game, I think 12 plus kilometers. So yeah, I mean अगर मेरे को man of the match pick करना हो तो definitely Angion Bonni has to be the man of the match, and second in place has to be Manuel Akanji, जो ever since he's joined Inter he's been perfect, seamless, showed a lot of maturity and has been a good leader. So yeah, good win. Hopefully this continues. Sempre is solo Forza Inter.